Are you looking for a very promising future profession? Current studies estimate between 8,000 and 10,000 new jobs linked to the development and creation of new data centers in Spain. A key sector for the new digital economy era, with a lack of qualified and specialized professionals with an updated and technical knowledge. Fundae has released a new training itinerary, Data Center Maintenance. 550 hours of training, innovative, multidisciplinary, online, and with no cost. For any person with at least an intermediate vocational training level or at least 2 years of professional experience in related sectors, with a medium level of English. Become an expert in data center service maintenance. An employment opportunity for the upcoming years. Financed by the European Union with funds from the Recovery and Resilience Facility.
Fundae.es